felt very bad, especially for the veterans. Ito,
Should he be
sandali
excused?
lang.
Sorry.
As well as a lot of the members of the armed forces of the Philippines. Veterans as well as retirees and active members, as well as members of the Philippine National Police, which I commanded some time ago, as well as the members of the Philippine Coast Guard, who are an armed and uniformed force. But the veterans must be respected and recognized in our country. Felt very bad because I said it was a insult, it was a trivialization of the role, the sacrifices of our armed forces, PNP, Coast Guard, veterans, retired, active.